You are going to die.
Listen, this is probably one of the most difficult conversations you can possibly have, but I also think it's one of the most empowering one. It all comes down to these three little words. You are gonna die. I say it as a reminder because as certain as we are of that truth, most of us are living like that's not the case. When you truly wake up to the fact that you will die one day and make each decision to that lens, you will learn that death can teach you everything you need to learn about living. When you really digest your mortality, you start to think, okay, what's really important to me? So I decided to ask this question: what do you want to do before you die? Because the thought of death was the only thing that shook me enough into the present moment to actually realize what was really important. And when I asked myself that question, I realized we should all go after the things that we want in life. We obviously have a finite amount of time to do it in. So why isn't everybody going out and achieving or at least attempting to achieve the things they wanted? It's because it's human nature to put off our personal goals. Because if you think about it, you'll see that there is no deadline for our personal goals, but we have all these deadlines for every other goal set in our life. I continually see people operate every day as if they won't die. There's no fundamental urgency around life. We all just take it for granted. The greatest thing about accepting your own death and using you're gonna die in a very positive, optimistic, empowering way is that it motivates you to do extraordinary things. And when you realize that, you stop worrying about your years and put enormous emphasis on making the most of your days, minutes, hours, and seconds. It develops an intense urgency around every action that you take. But at the same time, it also allows you to have ultimate patience and perspective and gratitude along the way. Happiness in whatever form it means to you: money, purpose, challenge, legacy, relaxation. As long as you are happy, you cannot listen to a word I say. But if you aren't, you need to tweak and push. Use You're Gonna Die as the ultimate fire. Then you can come to a conclusion about what you really want, about what's really important to you, and you can then reverse engineer that and make it a reality. There is a very fine line to try to live life knowing your days are numbered. But if you can wrap your head around your death, being an optimistic, positive reinforcement, getting the most out of life really helps to know yourself. For me, it's the only way you can really achieve and strive for all the things you want to do. It's the gateway to everything we speak about, including gratitude, perspective, and empathy. If you can use the words "you're gonna die" as a force or a fire to motivate you, that's what brings you to all of those different things. It will drive you towards your truth. You will live a more intentional life, and then you will see how in control you are. You always have a choice, but first you have to ask the question: what will you do? So let me remind you once again: you are alive, take advantage of it. You don't need permission to chase your dreams, go execute. Thank you.